As a research and development corporation, one of our hardest challenges is finding processing partners willing to take a risk and adopt some of this new technology.
What we're doing now, from a manual cutting perspective, the accuracies are not there. We have operators currently working on those saws, scribing carcasses for a 10-hour period, and it's not an easy job.
So KGF have got a good track history of adopting new technologies and new ideas to the industry, and many of those have been global first solutions.
I think the big thing for this particular piece of technology is the use of AI together with the cutting-edge sensing technology that we're using to be able to characterise a beef carcass and perform these cuts. Vision processing and AI tasks then identify the key features of interest on the carcass.
The workup done there allows the boner to be able to put the knife in the correct spot to optimise yields and throughputs throughout the business.
It's incredible to think that cutting accurately makes that much of a difference. I believe the project will enhance people's ideas of what's possible.
Puts Australia ahead of the world in regards to meat processing technology.
We think the success that we've had in this application shows a massive opportunity to expand it.
We see it being critical to get the yields, the consistency of product. The customer will open the box and they'll see the difference.
And I think that we've built a team around this project that has made this dream become a reality, and we're at that point where the reality is here, now, on the doorstep.